This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, as usual, we'll be doing the daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. I'll be doing the analysis from the 4 hours time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and we'll be sharing you the current trend of the market and present support and resistance levels for each time frame. Please understand that market trend and support and resistance levels are very dynamic, and they get more dynamic as we go down to the lower time frame. So requesting you to do your own trend analysis and plan your entry and exit before executing your orders. Let us look at economic event calendar for today. Today is Wednesday 15th. At 7:30 AM we have medium impacting news for yuan. As we scroll down, we have low impacting news for JPY, Swiss franc, Euro currency pairs. Then at 6 PM we have high impacting news planned for US dollar currency pairs. And at 11:30 PM we have high impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. This will create a high volatility in the market today. So if you are a beginner, I would recommend you to stay away from trade today or properly hedge your trade during the news hours. Let us begin our analysis. So I am in 4 hours time frame, and when we analyze the price action in 4 hours time frame from the level of 2070, we are noticing the price action to trend on a bearish side. Every time it tests this resistance line, we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bearish trend reversal. Currently also we have noticed the price action to test this trend line, and it is on a bearish side. Let us closely analyze the current price action. In the past, we have noticed the price action to take support around the support level of 1785 and to trend on a bullish side, and currently it has tested the resistance line from the daily time frame and it is on a downtrend. In my yesterday's video, I had highlighted that the price action was trading within a bullish channel pattern and it was in a very nice bullish trend. But when we analyze the price action today, it has broken this support level of the bullish channel pattern and it has gone down and tested the lower support level of the bullish channel pattern. Previously we had only the shadow to test this level, and currently we are noticing the body of the candle testing this support level. And if the price action breaks this bullish channel pattern support line, this whole bullish channel will become invalid, which means the confirmation on the start of the bearish trend. Only when the price action breaks this resistance line, it is a confirmation on the bullish trend reversal. Currently we have noticed the price action to bounce back from this resistance line, which means that today also we can expect a range bound market or a bearish trend to start from this point. Let us analyze what could be the next support levels on the downside. For this I am going to be using Fibonacci's extension tool, which will give the projection of the future price action. Previously we have noticed the price action to trade within this rectangle box. 1878 was acting as a very strong resistance and level of 1828 was acting as a very strong support level in the past, and currently the price action has broken this support level, and now the current price action is trading within a resistance level of 1828 and support level of 1797. And if the price action breaks this range, next level of support and resistance is going to be around 1797 to 1771. So the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame is in a bearish trend, and it has broken the very strong support level of 1828 and it is trading between the support level of 1796 to 1828. Wait for the price action to break the previous resistance level of 1828 in order to get the confirmation on the bullish trend reversal. Otherwise, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame also. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. Currently, the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1827 and support level of 1796. When we draw a trend line and check the current trend of the price action, it is still trading below this resistance line over here. So the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame is also in a bearish trend. As long as it is trading below this resistance line, it is a bearish trend. Even if the price action comes on a retracement, first level of resistance is going to be the level of 1827, which is the very strong resistance level from the higher time frame. Then we have the hourly time frame resistance line over here. It has to break this resistance line also in order to continue its bullish trend. So if you want to take trades on the bullish side, I would recommend you to enter into trade only when it breaks this resistance line over here. And if you want to trade with the trend, you can wait for the price action to retrace and to bounce back from this strong resistance level of 1827 on the bearish side, based on which you can take bearish side trades. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the resistance and support levels for the hourly time frame. Currently we are noticing a consolidation taking place on the bullish channel pattern support line. If the trend reversal continues, we can expect it to retest on the higher time frame resistance level of 1830, and only when it breaks the resistance line from the hourly time frame, it will be the continuation of the bullish trend. Otherwise, we can expect the price action to bounce back and to continue its bearish trend. We have also noticed the price action to bounce back from this resistance level several times. So the resistance level of 1830 is a very strong resistance level for now. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. In 30 minutes time frame also I am drawing one more resistance line or a trend line. Currently the price action has broken this trend line or the resistance line. I would recommend you to draw trend lines like this and wait for the price action to take support on this trend line and to bounce back on the bullish side to take trades on the bullish direction. But the trading ranges are very narrow, so I wouldn't recommend you to trade within this range over here. Wait for the price action to bounce back on the bearish side, breaking this support line or the trend line to take trades on the bearish side, because overall trend of the price action is in a bearish side, or wait for the price action to break this resistance line from the hourly time frame to take trades on the bullish side, because it will be the sign on the bullish trend reversal if it breaks this resistance line. Let us mark the support and resistance line. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. In 5 minutes time frame also I am drawing one more trend line or the support line, and current trend of the price action in 5 minutes time frame is in a bullish trend. It has broken the resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame also, and it has bounced back from the support line from the 5 minutes time frame. And if the bullish trend continues, next level of resistance is going to be the higher time frame resistance level of 1828. Since this is a lower time frame, we can expect multiple trends in lower time frame. I would recommend you to always follow the higher time frame trends to get better results. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action in 5 minutes time frame is trading within a bullish channel pattern, resistance line and the support line. We have come to end of today's analysis. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.